In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add the Jockie music bot in Discord, step by step, so you can get music playing in your server in just a few minutes. This is a simple process, and once you do it once, it becomes really easy to add bots to any Discord server in the future. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Discord tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Jockie music bot invite link in your browser. This is the official invite page where you'll connect the bot to your Discord server. Once the page loads, you should see an invite button. Click that button to begin the authorization process. If you're not already signed in to Discord, you'll be asked to log in. Enter your Discord account details and continue, so Discord can verify your identity. After that, Discord will ask you to choose the server where you want to add the bot. Use the drop-down menu to select the correct Discord server. Make sure you pick the right one, especially if you manage more than one server. Once your server is selected, click Continue. Now, you'll see a list of permissions that Jockie Music is requesting. This is an important step because it shows you what the bot will be allowed to do in your server. Take a moment to review the permissions carefully so you know exactly what access you're granting. If everything looks good, click Authorize to approve the bot. At this point, Discord may ask you to complete a CAPTCHA verification. If that happens, just follow the on-screen instructions and finish the verification so Discord knows you're a real user. Once the authorization is complete, Jockie Music should be added to your server automatically. Now go back to your Discord server and check your member list or channel notifications to confirm that Jockie Music joined successfully. If the bot appears in your server, then you're all set and ready to start using it for music commands and server entertainment. And that's it! You've successfully added Jockie Music bot to Discord. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.